Hello, in this tutorial, I'll show you how to delete your Stripe account. Now, the first thing I'd like you to do is to launch your web browser and sign into your Stripe account. Before closing your account, of course, make sure that there are no pending issues. Stripe recommends resolving any negative balances, disputes, chargebacks, refunds, or pending payouts before proceeding. So if your account has a negative balance, you won't be able to close it until the balance is cleared. So if there is any information you want to keep, exporting now. Closing your Stripe account is permanent and you lose access to your dashboard. So you can export reports, customer data, payment history, and other records before continuing. Now, how do you continue with that? In the Stripe dashboard, just go ahead and look at the the settings icon rather. And once you click on it, it takes you over here. Now, go ahead and look for business under account settings. There are a couple of categories here. Just go ahead and look for business under account settings, and it's going to take you to the account window. So scroll all the way to the bottom of the account details page, and you're going to find this option that says close account. Now go ahead and click on close account. So just remember that by closing your account, you will not be able to access your financial data for reporting and tax purposes. You'll not be able to create future charges and refunds, or even respond to new disputes. So you can read more or read about more implications and recommended actions before closing your accounts. Now go ahead and click on close account. So once you click on close account, Stripe may ask you to confirm that you want to permanently close the account. Carefully read the information on the screen, and once your account is closed, you won't be able to process payments, issue refunds, respond to dispute, or access the dashboard unless the account is restored by Stripe where applicable. So if prompted, select or enter the reason you are closing your account and click confirm and close account to complete the process. And after your account is successfully closed, Stripe will send you a confirmation email to the account owner's registered address. Now, you must be the account owner to close a Stripe account. Closing one Stripe account does not close any other Stripe accounts associated with the same email. Each account must be closed individually, and if your Stripe account was created through a third-party platform such as a Stripe Express account, you may need to close it through that platform instead of directly from the Stripe dashboard. And even after your account is closed, Stripe may retain certain records to comply with legal and regulatory requirements such as anti-money laundering and tax obligations. So go over the tutorial from the top to the bottom to get acquainted with the steps, and once you're done, you'll be good to go. I hope that this tutorial marvelously helped your search.